Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to download and install Bluestacks on a Windows computer or laptop. First off, head over to Google and search for Bluestacks. Once on this page, scroll down and click on this download button to download the software.
When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there.
After downloading, double-click on it to install. Follow the steps as in this video to complete the installation.
Been long since last touched for the
The installation is done, and as you can see, we now have the Android interface on this computer. Log in with your Gmail account as you would on your Android phone to access Google Play Store apps.
How you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine. Like the stars had all aligned. I lay beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire. And I breathe your aura, can I leave your aura? You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You just like it's like it's just like a magnet.
Let's now try install WhatsApp. Head over to Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Install as you would on an Android phone. You can as well install any Android app onto your computer in this manner.
Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine. Like the stars had all aligned. And I breathe your aura, can I leave your aura? You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You just like it's like it's just like a magnet. Feel your energy when our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.